Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alienware Ultimate AMD Advantage laptop and industry's first 480Hz display technology. So friends, Alienware has launched of the most powerful 17-inch AMD Advantage laptop, introduction of the standard-defying 480Hz panel technology for the first time, and unveiling of our first ever 16-inch Dell G Series laptop. And friend, the world's most powerful 17-inch AMD Advantage laptop delivering truly remarkable performance. And M17R5 is forked from a partnership with AMD that features AMD Ryzen 6000 series processor, AMD Radeon RX 6000 series graphics, and new AMD Smart Technologies. And today's update welcomes the new AMD Radeon RX 6850M XT 12 GB GDDR6 GPU to the configuration lineup. And friend, the Alienware m17R5 and Alienware x17R2 gaming laptops, gamers will make first contact with brand new display technology, and full HD 480Hz 3 millisecond panels bring a multitude of gameplay benefits, including animation smoothness for easier target tracking, ghosting reduction with minimized distracting effect, and lower system latency, making it easier for you support other player earlier. And when if I talk about the pricing, the Dell G16 is available from $1,399 US. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.